Hi, I'm Sameer from Khal.com, and today I'm going to be talking about Khal's new referral program. The cost of verification is now $10. All the new people who want to get verified will now have to pay $10 to get verified. Now here is an opportunity for you. If you are a verified user on Khal, and if you go to the top right hand side corner drop down menu, you will see an option that says refer your friends. If you click on that option, it will bring you to a page which shows you your unique referral code. This referral code is unique to you. You may change it if you like. If anyone uses your referral code to get verified, they will get a $2 discount. So instead of paying $10, they will only have to pay $8 to get verified. Also, the moment they get verified, $2 will be deposited to your account. You will keep getting $2 for each person who uses your code to get verified. You can see all these earnings in your My Earnings tab. If you have a YouTube channel or a big following on Instagram or TikTok, please feel free to tell your followers about Khal's verification program. If 100 people watch your video and 10 of them get verified, you will earn $20 easy. And if your video goes viral, then sky is the limit to how much money you can earn. Also, try to make these videos in the language in which your followers understand. The more people who get verified using your referral code, the more money you can earn. You will help a lot of cooking creators make money by telling them about Khal, and you will make money too. Thank you for all the support that you have given us so far. Keep cooking and sharing your recipes on Khal.com. Take care for now.